Hello everyone, welcome to part 54 of the 100 Ways to Motivate Yourself series by Steve Chandler. I am Walt and I am here giving you part 54. And this one's a pretty interesting one, all about trouble, okay? And the fact that when you have troubles, when you have problems in your life, actually they carry a lot of great potential to solve greater problems in your life. And actually the idea is basically behind every problem there is a gift inside of it, okay? Now this is an idea Napoleon Hill gets at a lot in Think and Grow Rich about how, the story of 3 feet from gold. This guy stops, 3 feet from gold, yet then goes on later in life to become a great life insurance salesman and makes about 20 times what he would have made if he'd kept going when it came to, getting the gold there. He learned this lesson of persistence, which would pay off, such a huge return on investment compared to if he just found the gold anyway. A lot of our failures actually carry with them the seeds of an equivalent success. That is a phrase right out of Think and Grow Rich. Every one of our failures, each failure brings with it the seed of an equivalent or greater success, okay? Don't know if that quote's exactly right, but there you go. Think and Grow Rich, absolutely fantastic material. So how can we use this? How can we really understand it? See, the thing is, our society and people are naturally just very opposed to having problems, to having troubles. When they're going through something, they feel stressed, they turn to perfectionism, they see they can't actually achieve it all at once, they kind of give up, they give into it, they just become passive. And that's very natural for human beings, but now that we are in a more enlightened age and we understand the thinkings of the greatest minds that have ever lived, those who have achieved the most, those who have been the happiest, all that kind of stuff, we can use that to make our own lives so much better. And so really the big principle here is that you can look into your problem, okay, and try to find something that you can gain from it. Find a skill that you're going to learn. Find an opportunity you can see, okay? For example, if you found yourself losing a bunch at a casino, you might learn that the way to win was to be the casino. That you could start your own online casino or your own, actual casino, and that you could make a fortune doing that. See, there is an opportunity where you can see the loss side of it, and then if you can see through it, you can see the potential of success. The same can go for anything. You fail a class, you learn you're not really good at that kind of thing, or you don't like it. Maybe it's not for you, or maybe you push through it and you find that this is really what you're good at, and that, you can use the skill, or you learn persistence, perseverance, things that can really serve you so much more later in life. And the idea is that you have to have a lot of perspective on it, because in the moment problems seem like a huge deal. But in the grand scheme of things, they seem like nothing. So welcome your problems and accept that troubles are going to come, and look for the gift inside of them, because if you can wash away the fear on every problem, inside there is a great gift just for you. Anyway, that's about it for part 54. I will see you guys next time with part 55, so stay tuned. I'll see you then.